In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view 1099s in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks or just looking for a clear walkthrough, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps that will take you from signing into QuickBooks Online to applying filters to your 1099 filings. To start, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks Online. This is the hub of all your financial data and where you'll find the tools to view your 1099 forms. When you reach the QuickBooks homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This is your entry point. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials, specifically your email and password. Ensure you're using the login details linked to your QuickBooks account so you can access your relevant financial information. Don't worry if you find this part familiar, it's always important to verify your identity. After entering your email and password, proceed by clicking on Sign In. You'll be directed into your QuickBooks account dashboard where all your financial management tasks await. From here, the next step is to go to the Taxes section. This is prominently displayed in your dashboard menu, making it easy to locate. It's essentially your gateway to accessing various tax-related documents and forms, including the 1099s. Within the Taxes section, you'll see an option for 1099 filings. Click on this as it specifically segments your 1099 related documents from other tax information. The 1099 form is crucial for reporting various types of income other than standard salaries, so having easy access to these details is beneficial for efficient financial planning. Now that you're in the 1099 filing section, you might want to change the view year. This allows you to toggle between different fiscal years, providing flexibility in reviewing past or present data. Simply select the year that you require documents for, whether you're reconciling from last year or preparing for the current year's taxes. Next, you'll have the option to add filters. This feature is particularly helpful if you have extensive data and need to condense it to specific contractors, vendors, or types of services. It's a powerful way to streamline your view to focus on what's most pertinent for your current task. Finally, after setting your desired filters, you'll need to click on Apply. This final step ensures that your selections are in effect and that you're viewing the exact data you need. At this point, you should have a clear view of your 1099 filings, tailored precisely to your specifications. By following these steps, you'll efficiently navigate QuickBooks Online and manage your 1099 forms with ease. Thank you for joining me for this detailed guide. Hopefully this process now seems straightforward and manageable. Stay tuned for more tutorials that simplify your accounting tasks and maximize your productivity.